Hi guys, it's Bill, and guess what? I got this really great idea. Well, actually, I saw it on TV to give me an idea, but I just kind of took the ball and ran. So I'm going to make a really cool, like, fancy grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I got some whipped butter. I'm just going to smear the butter on here, just like your mom used to try and do and tear up the bread because the butter was cold and they didn't have whipped butter back in the day. Not sure I left it out long enough. Yeah, it did. It's fine. Alright. Clean up the mess. So this is where the cool part comes in. Yeah, I got some heat there. So I got some really nice Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And what I do, I'm going to take a pinch and just smear it around. You can't put too much, so you got to be kind of delicate. Okay, so here's the trick. Is that hot enough? I think so. So, not going to be perfect, but we're going to try. Alright, so we flip, get that down. We're going to flip, get that down. And that butter's going to just be so happy. And the cheese is melting, so we're pretty toasty hot. Okay, and don't move it, just let it sit. So now I got to assemble a grilled cheese sandwich, right? So what I'm going to do, got some, this is actually some Gouda, believe it or not. Got from the grocery store. A little outside kind of thing going on. And do a little onion on one side. So this is all about the cheese and making lots of cheese. A little tomato over here. Then I got a piece of Colby Jack and want it to melt on here. I forgot my pizza pan that I use for making all my sandwiches steam. It's really handy to get a cheap pizza pan to do this with. And if we do this right, we should be good. If we do it wrong, I'll be eating something that I'm not completely thrilled with, but it'll be okay. Alright, so this should take about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Don't forget the pizza pan is going to get toasty. So use a towel, gloves, something, and don't burn your hands. The thing I hate about it is I can't see it. You know, wash pot never boils. But if I open this, I'm going to let too much steam out, and then we got to start all over again. But I can smell it. I can smell it. Smell-o-vision. They were supposed to invent that like years ago. Alright. Do I hear? Oh, it's going to be good. So basically what we're doing is we're letting that Parmesan cheese make a crust on the outside of the bread. And it's just so good. And you can put like avocado, you put bacon, I mean you can put meat in there, do whatever you want. Just make sure you got lots of cheese and lots of layers and that you're giving enough time to cook. Can't wait to look at this. Can't wait. Look at that cheese. It's smelling so good. Wow. We're about 30 seconds away. I did that just so I could get that smell-o-vision going. Yeah. So it's been about a minute and a half, minute and 45 actually. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Toasty. So all I gotta do now, I'm gonna get that bread flipped over. Just brings this all to a new level. And you can see, if you don't believe me, how crusty that cheese got. I mean, this is just a piece of cheese. It's crunchy. That's a nice, and the bread stays so soft because of it. It's just like this miracle. Try not to destroy the whole crust thing. I slice it. So there you have beautiful, melty, yummy, cheesy. I love it. And you know, it's really funny. I love tomato. The best thing is just a beefsteak. Slice the beefsteak on a grilled cheese, makes it so great. Anyways, so that's my second speedaddle short video that I really wanted to show you, so you know that you can do fun things too. Not everything has to be complicated. Anyways, have a great day. I'm going to take a picture of this and I'm going to eat it. I'll see you back with another great recipe.